Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock soup, a foundational recipe for countless delicious meals. We'll start by gathering all the essential components. You'll need a whole chicken or various chicken pieces, along with aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Fresh herbs such as parsley and thyme, plus peppercorns and a bay leaf, will infuse your stock with incredible flavor. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly rich and savory broth. Once your ingredients are ready, the next step is preparation and simmering. Roughly chop your vegetables. There's no need for precise cuts, since they will be strained out later. Place all your chicken and vegetables into a large stock pot or Dutch oven. Then, cover everything with approximately 12 cups of cold water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-high heat, and once it reaches that point, reduce the heat to low to maintain a very gentle bubble. Now comes the crucial cooking and skimming phase. Allow your stock to simmer gently for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even longer for a deeper flavor profile. During this time, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface. It's important to skim these off periodically to ensure a clear, clean stock. Try to avoid stirring the stock too much, as this can make it cloudy. The extended simmering extracts maximum flavor and beneficial collagen. Finally, it's time to strain and properly store your homemade chicken stock. Carefully pour the entire contents of your pot through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, into a large heat-proof bowl. Discard all the cooked solids, leaving you with a beautiful, clear, golden liquid. Allow the stock to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 4 days or freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.